Hi everyone, welcome to the Thinking Crypto channel. I hope you're doing well. What a bullish day for the crypto market. Please hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Guys, Bitcoin blast past $13,000 today, riding the bullish news of PayPal's entry into the crypto market. Right now, Bitcoin has a small correction, of course, right? It's going to have its rally and pullbacks, but let's see if this momentum can take us past $14,000 and even 15, because 15,000 is a key psychological barrier. And once we cross that, it's going to be very easy to head back to $20,000. Now, is this the start of the bull run? Is PayPal the catalyst that is now going to trigger that run and we see the prices continually going up? Maybe, right? Don't move by emotions here. Let's let this rally play out and test itself and prove itself, right? Because we've seen rallies throughout the year and even years where it goes up to a price point, people think, oh, it's going to go higher, and it doesn't go higher. That's just par for the course. But remember, there's going to be a time like in October of 2017 where it just keeps going up, right? And new all-time highs are hit. And remember, it started in like September, October, November. It kept going up. Corrections along the way. And then in December, it hit that all-time high of 20,000. This time around, it's going past 20,000. Many believe it could be between $80,000 to $100,000 Bitcoin price. Let's see what happens. I'm hoping it goes to that. I'll be cashing out along the way up. Once we hit like 30, 40, 50, I'll be cashing out at different price points. But as always, Bitcoin is leading the rally here and the alts are following. So we're seeing green across the board. Very, very bullish, guys. We should be excited about this, but not overly excited. Let the market play out. Let this rally prove itself, right? We got the billionaires weighing in. First up, Chamath Palihapitiya tweeted, after PayPal's news, every major bank is having a meeting about how to support Bitcoin. It's no longer optional. He's absolutely right. This asset class is here to stay. It's on the rise. The big players are coming in, and every bank is they're at the risk of losing their lunch here, and if they don't jump in, right? So he's a Bitcoin bull, and he sees the writing. Mike Novogratz, billionaire as well, weighed in and had similar sentiments. He said, "This PayPal news is the biggest news of the year in crypto. All banks will now be on a race to service crypto. We have crossed the Rubicon, people. Exciting day." So this may be the most bullish news of the year, even more bullish than when the banks got the regulation from the OCC, Brian Brooks, to custody crypto. So they have the green light to do so. But like Chamath said, now those who are on their fence are probably beating like, oh crap, okay, we better get going because PayPal is looking to take a big chunk of this market share. There's money to be made here. And guys, like I've been saying for years, as these big companies come in, guess what follows once they set up shop? Marketing. They're going to get the masses in, and PayPal has like over 350 million users between PayPal and Venmo. So get ready. Banks are going to start offering crypto, custody, trading, buy, sell, trade, all that stuff. Credit card companies, other payment companies, it's coming. It's coming. This is the new asset class. It's going to be positioned the same way the stock market is. And those who are early adopters will make significant profits and money like we are. We're early adopters, guys. We're here before the masses. Now, interesting, Grayscale, let me go back to the tweet here. One of their employees, Michael Sonnenschein, shared the following, showing the breakdown of publicly traded companies that are holding Bitcoin. Very insightful data. And as always, data, not emotions, not feelings, not conspiracy theories. What is the data? And we see Grayscale, man, they're buying every Bitcoin they can find. They have the most of the publicly traded companies. MicroStrategy, which recently entered the market just in August and September, they bought a significant amount of Bitcoin, right? And you see Galaxy Digital, this is Mike Novogratz's fund. And we got Square here. Expect that number to go up because Jack Dorsey talked about they're going to buy more Bitcoin, put the cash reserves in Bitcoin. So interesting trend, right? You got the hedge funds like your Mike Novogratz and your Paul Tudor Jones and a lot of these guys, your big corporates, your publicly traded companies putting money into Bitcoin. I don't care if you love or hate Bitcoin. This right here is a fact. This is not a conspiracy theory or emotions or a dream. This is what's happening. So you other crypto maximalists, you better recognize what's happening. I'm here to make money, so that's why I don't have any tribalism or maximalism to any coin. I call things as they are. I keep it real, keep it factual, logical. So I hold Bitcoin in my portfolio. You do what you want, but if you're going around spreading FUD, you're going to look like an idiot, because Bitcoin is gold 2.0, and all these companies and hedge funds and big time billionaires and millionaires are putting their money in it. So it doesn't matter what people dream up and say. They can say whatever they want. Now, I diversify. I hold XRP, I hold Ethereum. I'm bullish on those as well. And that's why you see Grayscale as an example here. They're not maximalists or tribalists. They have a Bitcoin trust, they have a Litecoin trust, an XRP trust, and Ethereum trust. They get it because they're adults, they're professionals. They know you have to diversify because you can't predict the future. You don't put all your eggs in one basket, and you look at what can make you significant return. So that's why I also follow those same investment principles. So very bullish, guys. The market's looking great. Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple CEO, weighed in on the PayPal news, and he brought up a caveat, which I think is legit. And if you guys follow me on Twitter, please do. If you don't, you may have seen my reply to him. He said, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Great to see a payment pioneer leaning in, but disappointing. Some fundamental tenets / benefits of crypto are spurned. I suspect PayPal is concerned about the, wait for it, regulatory uncertainty impacting its rollout for a number of levels. Now, once again, he's talking about PayPal does not allow you to withdraw your crypto. Now, let's talk about that. He's saying it's due to regulatory uncertainty. I'm not sure about that, but I do agree with him in principle. Yes, PayPal should add the ability to withdraw. But let's be honest, guys, the majority of the population, the average Joes, won't care. You and I care about it because we're sophisticated users. We get the technology. But my uncle who wants to invest in Bitcoin won't care. He won't care about private keys, because when you have his own bank or PayPal that he uses, that he trusts, says, hey, we'll custody it for you, he won't care about withdrawing. He'll just care about withdrawing his profits from buying and selling or whatever, right? And I think we all notice that's the reality of the situation. The majority of the population will go the Robinhood model. Make it easy to buy, sell, trade, and withdraw your profits. That's what they want, the simple, easy use of it. You and I, as sophisticated users, want to put it on our Ledger Nano, want to store it on a hardware wallet, right? That's the nature of the beast. So I agree and disagree in a certain part of it, but let's see. Maybe it's due to the regulatory uncertainty, and maybe PayPal adds a withdrawal feature eventually. We'll have to wait and see, right? But nevertheless, very bullish news, guys. Huge news. Probably the biggest news of the year. And let's hope this momentum takes us higher. Like I said, let the rally prove itself. Let's see where it takes us. And if we can correct like it did here, this is a healthy correction. Move back over 13, work its way up to 14, correct back to 13,500, go back over 14, work its way up to 15. You guys know how the market cycle works. Sit back, be patient. All the big players are coming. And that's why I've been saying for years, get ready with your cash out plan. This way, when that real bull run comes, and maybe this is the start of it, we don't know, we will be ready to cash out. So guys, leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit the thumbs up button. Share this video with someone who is a crypto skeptic, and I'll talk to you all later.